Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases, and I want to address you who've been afraid to file your back tax returns. I should know, I used to pick up back tax returns. I used to prepare back tax returns for the United States government. It was my job. A matter of fact, I wrote a best-selling book on Amazon called IRS Settlements. I'm not peddling the book. I don't really try to give you information here. Most people are just frightful to file tax returns, thinking that IRS is going to go ahead and discover certain things about them, and they have this awful paranoia about what IRS is going to do if they haven't filed. Well, IRS is going to hunt you down. I used to. You would be assigned a zip code. Every IRS office, district, region does it differently depending on how many agents there are, how many cases there are. So every group, region does that, district does it all different. But they will hunt you down. They just don't have the manpower right now. But there's just false paranoia about IRS if you haven't filed. You are going to have to file. I know this because I was an agent. I'm trying to help you with this so you understand. Just file your tax returns. You're playing this mental ping pong game in your head. Just doesn't make any sense. It never did. You're going to have to file. If not, you're not going to have Social Security credits. You're going to be missing a lot of things. You need to know that. So you've got to go ahead and get these filed. What's going through your mind? I don't have my records. What are they going to do when they found out I haven't filed? When I haven't paid? If you hire somebody who knows what they're doing, smooth sailing. If you want to do this yourself, usually smooth sailing. You've got to send in the last 6 years worth of records. That's it. So if most people now, they're self-employed, because if you're W-2, you filed in your tax returns because you got a refund. So the self-employed person says, oh my God, I don't have records. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Oh my God, I have to do something. Well, you can reconstruct your records. Anyone who's worth their salt in this business reconstructs tax returns every single day. So what you normally do as a job, that's what we normally do every single day. Almost every day we're reconstructing someone's tax returns. How do we use that? There's statistics out there, business statistics, sites you see that have national averages. We show those averages, you make adjustments, and then you send in the tax returns. I have yet to have anyone audited ever, not because we're anything special, is IRS just has not got around to looking at everyone's work. So many people have not filed their back tax returns. So then the next question that comes up, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, how am I going to pay? You don't have to worry. We can get something worked out with IRS. So stop your worry. Just get it done. If you don't call us, call somebody. It's not going to be as tough as you think. I've worked thousands of cases. I've written a book about IRS settlements. I'm not peddling the book. I'm just telling you, it's not going to be. You're going to have to file. Get it over with. That's the best. Let me just encourage you. I don't care what office you walk into. Don't be afraid to do it. If you need me, give me a call. I'm trying to encourage you to get this monkey off your back. Thank you so much. Blessings. Oh, give me a subscription. Thank you.